With the batch review feature, you can review multiple files at the same time, which saves you time and energy. To use the batch review, first open the file viewer by click on any files that still awaits your review. Then hover to your file gallery and select Batch Review. You will now see all the files that have been shared with you in this review step in a grid view. To quickly submit your review decision for multiple files, just hover over the file and activate the tick box in the left corner of the file. Once you've selected all the files you want, submit your review decision at the bottom of the screen. If you want to add a comment to an individual variant or return to the file viewer, just click on one of the files in the grid view. With the batch review feature, you can compare different variants of a file or images from a shoot in a grid view to spot differences and make faster decisions. This ensures that only the best files are further worked on.